Now I wanted to ask you, what is the most amount of money you made Instacart shopping in one day, one single day?
I think it was $800.
$800?
It was $800.
In one single day.
And again, that was just really lucky, and I felt like, I think I had passed like 600 at that point, and I was like, I'm gonna try going for my personal best. So I was like doing everything.
Yeah. So and how many hours did you work?
Oh, that day? Probably 7 to 10.
Okay, 7 to 10 hours.
No, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Oh!
Yeah, this is no joke.
That's 15 hours.
Yeah.
7 to 10.
Thank you to all the Red Bulls I took that day.
Did they even let you work that long?
Yeah, they don't. Do they not?
On Uber, you have a limit of like...
Oh, I heard that. Heard about that.
12 hours, I think?
Yeah, no, they let you work however long.
Dang, that's crazy. So, to just give you a perspective, I did Instacart. We did, Elias and I, who I think you met. Yeah, we did a vlog on this channel doing full day of Instacart shopping. And our goal was $100. And it took us like 5 to 6 hours.
What? That's crazy.
And I was driving, and I would drop him off. Like we were racing too. Like I would drop him off. Like he would start shopping. I'd park, go meet him. But we're also vlogging and like and cracking jokes.
That's crazy though.
And
time.
we took like an hour and a half lunch break. Like.
Yeah, no, I eat while I'm delivering.
We were like, oh, Costco, let's have a pizza. And then we're like, twiddling our thumbs for an hour.